How about the 1972 Datsun 240Z coupe? New sight orange.
Yes.
Over black. 76,000 actual miles. That's got the single overhead cam inline six, which is a great engine.
A whiner.
Oh my God. Those things are just, this thing was restored in 2021, got the 4-speed manual, got the original window sticker. Oh, hey, how cool is that?
Amazing.
Save that stuff, folks. I don't care if you're buying the most mundane car on the planet, a work truck, Chevy truck.
Yep.
Save everything.
Save the paperwork.
Save the paperwork.
That's right. And this is, I think I wrote in the thing that these, is there a car today that you can name a 2024, 25 model that's going to be as classic as the 240Zs? Because
hard to
who
say
knew
that.
they were everywhere, and now they're classic.
And when they first came out, I remember in 1970 when we first saw them hit the market here, we were like, wow, those are really exotic looking. I mean, compared to a Camaro or a Mustang or a Firebird, they were quite the interesting car. And a 6-cylinder. We at first were a little skeptical of that, but then you realize that they had great performance. They handled well.
Yep.
They were just great cars.
They had a line to sit in the Z at the auto show.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, it was the most popular car.